YouTube, it is your girl Nikki the Glam Teacher. So if you just want to skip to the juicy part of this video, then fast forward to the last 4 minutes of the video, and that is going to be the video that I am talking about with my experience at Celebration Key in the Bahamas, where a worker was just doing a little too much and his interaction was very inappropriate. Now, a lot of people may want to know the context behind it before they get to the video, so stay tuned, listen. I suggest that you watch the full video before you go making comments and opinions down in the comment section, but just stay with me and follow along. So I'm in a lot of Facebook groups, okay? A lot of Facebook groups, and I'm very active. A lot of people come to my messages, my emails, ask me questions, and I do not have a problem with answering questions on plastic surgery, vacation, Carnival cruise, all of that stuff. Most of the things I post on my YouTube channel, I pay with my own money. It's my own personal experience, and I'm just reviewing it, okay? So none of this is like, oh, I'm just saying this, that, or the other to you. This is how I feel, my opinion, and my thoughts, okay? Now, there was a video on Facebook of 2 Caucasian women that said that they were SA, assaulted, okay? Y'all know YouTube, certain words can't say, da-da-da. Y'all not gonna mess up my channel, okay? Or we could say they were raped, okay? Great. And a lot of people in the comments were saying they don't believe them. You know, people are always saying things so they can get something for free or create a bad name for the Bahamas. And also folks were saying things like Bahamas depends on tourism so much that cannot be true. It's impossible. Now, I don't know where this video is. I might put a screenshot here if I can find it, but if not, that's kind of what started this. Because I put in the comments about my recent experience, and I told in the comments that I could believe those women, because when I was just in the Bahamas on a cruise at Celebration Key, the worker was talking very X-rated and inappropriate with me, okay? And I didn't give him no assumption that I was okay with that. I didn't start the conversation to be X-rated or anything like that. None of that. And then somebody goes to DM me on Facebook and asks, well, why do you think he felt that way? How were you dressed? Honestly, why in 2005 does it matter how someone is dressed if that makes them to be treated like a hoe or wife? Let's just keep it at that, hoe or wife. There are fully clothed whores out here, okay? And there are good Christian virgin women that may dress a little risque, not so modest. Clothing and how you dress it should not be the main reason to determine if you are whorish or wifeable. But I mean, people are just so judgmental, they don't even give a chance to get to know you personally. That's why I just travel, make my videos, mind my business. But because I'm always traveling, and usually to somewhere that is hot and warm and beautiful, I'm in a swimsuit. A lot of brands send me their swimsuits and lingerie. Unfortunately, lingerie too, because sometimes that brings the wrong attention. I have a nice body though. They want to see nice bodies in your nice clothes, and that gets people to buy them, okay? Actually, sex is what sells. I'm not selling, but my body looks sellable. How y'all think I go on these trips? Off topic. But let's get back on topic. I'm always in a swimsuit. The particular swimsuit that I was in is the video that I posted, my review on Celebration Key. This pink swimsuit here, you guys saw it when I went to Dubai and I did a swimsuit review. Yeah, it's long sleeves. You can zip it up or down. I probably had this much cleavage showing, and the back is cut out. Now, at the time, I was at the tram station in Celebration Key. There were other people there waiting, but it was taking a tram a little bit longer to pick us up and get us wherever. So most of the people walked off. I had just ate and I was full. I didn't feel like walking. This particular worker drove by in his tram car. You know how I noticed that it was the same person that drove by me the first time? This particular tram car has a section to hold a wheelchair. He is the only one that can drive this because it holds the wheelchair, okay? And in the video, you will see and hear him say that. He came back down. There was a bunch of us at the tram station. Most of them had left. He came back up. He swooped around, said, "Where you going?" I said, "You can give me a ride." He said, "Where you going?" I said, "I want to get to the other side of Celebration Key." I was on Starfish Lagoon side, and I was trying to go around to Cyclops Beach, whatever it's called. Did I say it right? And he was like, I asked him, does it connect? Because I thought I was going to take the back way and get through faster. He said, it doesn't connect, but I can give you a ride. I said, okay. We in a tram having casual conversation, and then it turns into woof. Now, being a YouTuber, I am always recording. Always recording, y'all. I have my phone out, tripod, and everything. So it's not like I was trying to entice him to talk like this and give Celebration Key a bad name or give the Bahamas a bad name. And I almost did not even post this because I'm like, I don't want to stir the pot and bring any negative attention to me or my YouTube channel. I don't want to be the person that's reporting negative stuff about Carnival when there's so much going on with Carnival right now. A few days ago, 2 deaths happened in the pool or something. I didn't do full research on it. It's just what I see on the internet, okay? So we're not gonna touch on it. So many complaints about Celebration Key as a whole. Now, I love Carnival Cruise down bad. I have been on 5 cruises this year, and we're only in August, okay? But this is what happened. We're gonna play the video, and y'all can see how the conversation went. And I'm trying to like laugh it off, and he just, you get what I mean? And I'm just like, At one point, he had asked me, who did you come here with? I said, my brother. At that point, most men, when I bring up my brother, they end the conversation like, okay, she said she got a boyfriend, a brother, she off limits, and let me not mess with her. But he just kept the sexual jokes going. And it just made me feel really uncomfortable. And I'm a well-traveled person. So little things like this, not to say I'm used to it, but it doesn't bother me as much. And I know when it's time for me to go. So when we got to my first stop where I said I wanted to go, I got up off the tram and went about my day. I didn't stay on to figure out, ooh, what else is he talking about? A special tour? Yeah, take me on a special tour. He showed me his car, y'all. No, you're not about to put me in your car and take me into the Bahamas and do what you, nah, brother. I'm with my brother. It's somebody waiting on me and looking for me. That's a tip and hint. Solo travelers, don't never tell nobody you by yourself. And if you're a woman, make sure you tell whoever you're with a male. My dad, my brother, my uncle, they're waiting on me. They're waiting on me, okay? Yeah, can you drop me off over here to meet my brother? Be on the phone pretending like you calling or talking to somebody. It's crazy you have to do that, but that's just how it is sometimes, okay? As a person who is, for a person who is new to travel, or just, you know, oh, let me try and do solo traveling. I heard good things about Carnival Cruise and Celebration Key. This would definitely rub them the wrong way, put a bad taste in their mouth. And honestly, if this situation would have happened to the wrong person, oh, it would have been blew up in a real negative, bad way. Now, I'm not trying to sugarcoat it, but I think the interaction should have went completely different, especially being I didn't get on the tram. Hey, how you doing? What's your name? Opening up my leg. Ooh, where your car at? Where you live? Can you take me to your house? Have you ever did da-da-da-da-da-da? Because remember now, some people do travel to get them goodies, okay? There are men that travel to particular countries, Dominican Republic, Thailand, Australia, to get the goodies. They like exotic women. There are women who travel, Jamaica, yeah. There are women that travel certain countries in Africa and stuff to get them a man and whatnot. So it does happen, and it is normal in some places. But I never gave him that impression that I was looking for any of that, or that it was even okay to make type of jokes to me. So let's get into the video. I'll play the video. You guys can, I'm not gonna edit anything out. I stopped recording when I got in the tram so I could like put my camera up and it didn't fall out or anything. And then once I got situated on the tram, we were already driving and talking. So that's when I pulled my phone back out and started recording again, because I wanted to like catch as much of Celebration Key that I could to share my review and experience for YouTube. So let me know if the conversation was inappropriate. Am I overreacting? I don't know, but so many people in the Facebook group suggested just to, you know, post the video so people can form their own assumptions and thoughts. But I wanted to make sure people got context beforehand, background, so y'all not just jumping on him or me. Bahamas. I've traveled Bahamas before. Even while pregnant, I was in the Bahamas. But I know how to protect myself too. Best believe I got something for your ass if you think shit's sweet over here. And I'm not editing that out at all, because that's 100% real. Let me play the video. I didn't edit anything out. Some things he might have said a little low or I said low, but just listen to it, replay it, and just be careful out there. It doesn't matter what country you're in, what the travel advisory alerts, it doesn't matter what those travel advisory alerts mean, yellow, green, red. Always watch where you are, who you with, what you're saying, what you're talking about, what you're doing. Don't get caught slipping. Simple as that. I'm gonna play the video. Bye. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and just be aware about what you're doing. Okay, you're going to Georgia. Georgia, nice.
I know. I was in Savannah.
Oh, Savannah. Okay. Oh, this is a nice tour.
Yeah, this is like the parking lot area. This is where we park our cars. That's where we eat up.
Okay. So it doesn't connect?
No, it doesn't connect. Both sides doesn't connect.
Oh, I thought both sides connect.
I have to come out here to go on that side.
Oh, so this is a special tour.
Yeah. Come in, Quill. You need the 88 reader? It's my car, where my car? My car, see my car right here, good.
Okay. You are nice.
Yeah, that's my car right there. What you drive?
I don't have a car.
You don't have a car right now?
No.
So what you do?
I'm a teacher.
Teacher, what you want to teach me?
You know your alphabet letters?
I want to learn more. I want to learn your body.
I only teach children.
So you're not going to teach me your body?
I only know alphabets and like numbers 1 through 100.
Quill.
They need a wheelchair assistance?
They said no. Yes, sir.
Oh, this can hold a wheelchair.
That's what it's for. That's why these can go anywhere.
Oh.
That's why you're not supposed to pay.
And then this side is like...
This the calypso side here. So who when you came?
Huh?
Who when you came here?
Me and my brother.
You have any kids?
Yeah.
How many?
3.
3?
3.
No one wants to pull up.
Huh?
No one wants to pull up.
Number 6.
Oh, okay.
Wow, what I said?
No one wants to pull out?
Yeah, what that mean?
What do it mean?
How you got 3 kids?
Because the good Lord above blessed me.
Alright, and like while he's doing it, no one wants to like take it over and get both of y'all.
I'm a virgin.
Me too.
Yeah. I'm the Virgin Mary.
That right there, that's the biggest lie ever.
How?
So you don't think Mary?
Oh, this where I want to be. These the food trucks, right?
Yes.
Is this like Bohemian food?
Yeah, that's where you get comforters.
Yeah, this what I want.
You wanna go here?
Yeah.
Make sure I try the comforters right here. This one have the comforters.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for the ride.
Watch your head, okay? Because you're a little tall.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
You didn't leave like that.
No. Take care.
Alright.
Y'all, see, he didn't know I was recording. See, these men be slick. Like, we could have had a normal conversation. We just want to take it sideways. What the fuck? That's why I always be recording. I might post his ass on YouTube. Fucking weirdo. He don't need to be taking everybody nowhere.